Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your Edifier MP260 available on Android devices? So I installed all applications what Edifier have at the Play Store, and we have no speaker here. If we're going in the first one, we can see that there is only one, also the same with the R series, not what we need, and Q series, we haven't Q in this speaker. If we're going to the second one, also in the speakers we have no this MP260. Third one the same, as you can see, nothing, and the last one actually have only one earphone here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.